We've mapped the surface of Mars in stunning detail, yet here on our own planet, a vast, dark world remains almost completely unknown. Did you know that over 80% of Earth's oceans are unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored? It raises a chilling question. What's hiding in the darkness miles beneath the waves? Our planet is a water world. Oceans cover over 70% of its surface, holding 97% of all water. But we only ever see the very top layer. Imagine the ocean as a building with many floors. There's the sunlight zone, where familiar marine life thrives. Then, as you descend, you enter the twilight zone, where light begins to fade. Below that is the midnight zone, a world of perpetual darkness. Deeper still are the abyss and the trenches, chasms so deep they could swallow Mount Everest whole. With every foot you descend, the pressure intensifies, the temperature plummets, and the light vanishes completely. So, why haven't we explored it all? The answer is simple. It's one of the most hostile environments imaginable. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. The water is near freezing and there is absolutely no light. Exploring the deep sea is like trying to explore outer space, only it's colder, darker, and much, much wetter. Even our most advanced submersibles, like Alvin or James Cameron's Deep-Sea Challenger, are pushed to their absolute limits and can only spend a few hours at these crushing depths before they must return. The deep ocean doesn't give up its secrets easily. But for those who brave the darkness, what they find is straight out of a science fiction movie. This isn't a dead world. It's a realm of living light. Down here, life creates its own glow through a process called bioluminescence. Imagine an anglerfish dangling its luminous lure in the blackness to attract unsuspecting prey. Picture a giant squid with eyes the size of dinner plates, pulsing with light as it communicates. Or the vampire squid, which unfurls a cloak of glowing mucus to startle predators. These creatures don't just survive in the dark, they've mastered it, using light to hunt, to hide, and to find each other in the endless night. For a long time, scientists believed that all life on Earth ultimately depended on sunlight. Then, in 1977, a discovery near the Galapagos Rift changed biology forever. Researchers stumbled upon hydrothermal vents, underwater volcanic geysers spewing out superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's core. And clustered around these toxic chimneys was a thriving ecosystem, completely independent of the sun. Instead of photosynthesis, life here relies on chemosynthesis. Bacteria feed on chemicals like hydrogen sulfide, and in turn, they become the base of a food chain that includes giant tube worms, ghostly white crabs, and strange pale fish. It was a stunning revelation. Life finds a way, even in places we thought were impossible. The deep ocean isn't just home to bizarre creatures, it's also a magnificent time capsule. The cold, dark, and low-oxygen environment of the seafloor perfectly preserves history. Everything that sinks, from ancient shipwrecks to the skeletons of prehistoric sea monsters, can remain undisturbed for millennia. But the real treasure lies in the sediment. Each layer that settles on the ocean floor is like a page in our planet's diary. By analyzing these layers, scientists can read the story of Earth's climate, learning about past ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and changes in the atmosphere. The ocean floor holds the memory of our world. Despite these incredible discoveries, the deep ocean remains a place of profound mystery. In 1997, the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, recorded a powerful ultra-low-frequency sound from the deep Pacific. They called it the Bloop. It was louder than any known animal sound and remained a mystery for years before being attributed to the cracking of a massive ice shelf. But what other sounds? What other secrets are still echoing in the abyss, unheard by human ears? We know there are entire mountain ranges and canyons down there that we've never seen. We are constantly discovering new species, but scientists estimate that there could be hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of species yet to be identified. So, what does the future of ocean exploration look like? It's becoming more autonomous. Fleets of underwater drones and AI-powered submersibles are beginning to map the seafloor in unprecedented detail without risking human lives. New materials are being developed to withstand the immense pressure, allowing us to build stronger probes that can stay down longer and go deeper. The discoveries we make could be revolutionary. We might find new medicines in deep-sea sponges, new sources of energy, or even clues about how life first began on Earth. By studying life in these extreme environments, we can even get a better idea of what to look for when we search for life on other planets. You might be thinking, this is all fascinating, but why does it matter to me? It matters because the deep ocean is not a separate world. It's the engine of our planet. It drives our climate, regulates temperatures, and absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide. The plankton in the upper ocean produces more than half of the oxygen we breathe. The health of the deep ocean is directly linked to the health of the entire planet. When pollution, microplastics, and rising temperatures affect the surface, those impacts eventually trickle down into the abyss, threatening these unique and fragile ecosystems. Protecting the ocean means protecting ourselves. We often look to the stars, searching for the unknown, for the next great frontier, but there's an entire universe hidden right here, beneath the waves. The deep ocean is more than just the dark, empty space on our maps. It's a world of wonder, of mystery, and of life that defies imagination. It's a mirror of our own curiosity, challenging us to push the boundaries of what we know. The deeper we go, the more we realize that we are not just exploring the planet. We are discovering ourselves. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the deep. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the unknown. See you next time.